guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Romans in chapter 6, starting in verse 12, where it says, "Do not let sin control the way you live. Do not give in to sinful desires. Do not let any part of your body become an instrument of evil to serve sin. Instead, give yourselves completely to God, for you were dead, but now you have new life." So when I think of how Christ gives us new life in Him, it always reminds me of a butterfly and how a butterfly starts off as a caterpillar and then it is totally changed into something different. And I think that's how we are when we know Christ, is He totally changes the way we think, the way we live our life, and He helps to change the sin that we have in our life, so we have a new beginning. So on Instagram, I follow a gal. Her Instagram is Salome Bible Journaling, and she did a really awesome pop-up in her Bible, and it was of a lion, and she had gotten the idea from a man named Robert Sabuda. So I went over to his website, and he has several different animals and other things that are templates for a pop-up. So I found this printable to do a butterfly pop-up. So that's what I wanted to do. I printed it out on vellum, and then I have a new lettering set that I picked up over the weekend because I was practicing my calligraphy with brush, like doing a brush calligraphy, and I found this set, and it has these three colors here: a teal, a purple, and a pink. So I want to use those colors to color the butterfly, and then I will put it in here, and then I will do some lettering over here with the black or maybe one of the colors, and pull out one of the colors with my lettering over here. And I think I want to say God gives us new life, or just new life. It just depends. We'll see how it all fits and everything. So that's what I want to do here. So let's get things cleared off and we'll get started. So I finished coloring my pieces, I cut them out, and then because it wrinkled up the paper a little bit because of the moisture of the markers, I went ahead and found some 65-pound white cardstock and I glued it on with a glue stick so that would make it a little bit more stable when I went to put it into my Bible pages. But before I do that, I want to put a little bit of color on the 2 pages that it's going to go on to. So I'm going to use my markers that I used to color here, and I'm going to do the squishing technique. I have this packaging from some notepads, a little bit of acetate, so I'm going to color on a little bit here, and then I have a spray bottle of water. I'm just going to spray it and squish it up on here and go ahead and put it down onto my pages. So I'm going to put a piece of paper towel underneath so it doesn't get wet underneath there. And just put some color. I'll put a little bit of each color on both sides. Step is to cut your second piece of the template out on the solid line and fold it here in the middle where the dotted line is. And you'll also want to cut out these 2 tabs here. So I already did that. Fold it in half. You want the side that had the B tab on the left and the A tab on the right so that the curved edges are going down. So place it where you want your butterfly to pop up at, right in the center here, and then I'm going to take a pencil and just mark it and trace. Now you want to take your A tab here. I went ahead and colored the tab because when I originally went to put it together, I had the tab folded the wrong way. You want to fold it toward you. So now I'm going to put a little bit of glue at the bottom here. And then just use your finger and move it around on the tab. And then stick that right down where you traced. And you'll let that dry really well. And then fold it at the dotted line on your second piece here. Put some glue on your tab. And you want to fit B side over the top and down in the center, and then go ahead and stick it down on where you traced. You want to make sure that the A side is on the front. And just hold them down there to let it dry. And you can test it by folding it up. And it opens up so awesome. I love it. Love it, love it. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Go ahead and go on over to Robert Zabuta's website and you can pick out several other different animals and objects that are 3D. He has free templates on there. Just awesome. And check out Salome Bible Journaling on Instagram. I will put the link for that down below as well. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.